Sa video natin ngayon, mamamasyal tayo sa isang pinaka-unique na pasyalan dito sa Thailand. Kahit saan man tayo mapunta, mapapamangha ka talaga sa kagandahan ng ating mundo. Maraming iba't ibang tanawin na maaari nating makita at maranasan. Kaya, mahalin natin ang ating kalikasan dahil ito ang ating tahanan na nagbibigay buhay sa atin dito sa mundo. Medyo malayo nga lang ito sa Bangkok, kaya hindi ito masyadong kilala ng mga turista. Ang lugar na ito ay tinatawag na Khao Sam Royot, na ang ibig sabihin ay Mountain of 300 Peaks. Dito rin natin makikita ang kagandahan ng malawak na taniman ng mga lotus flowers na talagang kamangha-mangha. Habang sinusundan namin ang daan papuntang Khao Sam Royot, makikita ninyo ang iba't ibang magagandang tanawin at bulaklak sa paligid ng kalsada. Sobrang nakaka-relax at hindi ko maiwasang mamangha. Malayo ito sa kabihasnan at kakaunti lang ang mga nakatira dito, kaya konti rin ang mga tao na makikita natin. Ang lugar na ito ay medyo malapit na rin sa border ng Myanmar. Kung bibiyahe ka mula Bangkok hanggang dito, aabutin ka ng mga 5 hanggang 6 na oras. At ngayon, narating na natin ang destinasyon. Agad nating makikita ang lawa na puno ng mga lotus. Nakarating kami dito bandang 3:00 na ng hapon. At ngayon ay oras na para i-explore ang maganda nitong lugar. Hindi pa ako masyadong pamilyar sa lugar na ito, kaya nagtanong ako sa boyfriend ko at pinsan niya para sa karagdagang informasyon. Okay, today we are here right now at Khao Sam Royot National Park here in Bueng Buang Nature Education Center. What place is this?
Bưng Bùa,
Bưng
Lotus
Bùa.
Park
Ratchaburi
in ประจวบคีรีขันธ์เขา300 ยอด National Park.
Okay. Not near in Ratchaburi, ใช่ไหม?
No,
No.
no.
Kanchanaburi.
Let's say that if from Bangkok, right, we have to pass Samut Sakhon, Samut Songkhram, and another way we can come from Bangkok and then Nakhon Pathom, Ratchaburi, and then in these
Phetchaburi province.
two pathway will come to Phetchaburi,
Oh.
and then from Phetchaburi will come to ประจวบคีรีขันธ์. So if talking about what
Right.
is the place that the next to ประจวบคีรีขันธ์ should be เพชรบุรีนะ
Yeah. See, the mountain is very nice.
แม่ มาถ่ายรูปแล้ว
Ang lugar na ito ay may mahabang tulay kung saan makikita ang magagandang lotus flowers. Medyo nadismaya kami dahil kaunti na lang ang mga lotus flowers, pero makikita pa rin ninyo ang mga dahon nito sa tubig. Sabi ng caretaker, kailangan daw ay pumunta ng maaga sa lugar na ito dahil pagdating ng hapon, unti-unti nang nalalanta ang mga bulaklak. Kaya next time, mas maaga kaming pupunta kung gusto namin makita ang mga lotus flowers sa kanilang pinakamagandang anyo. Hindi ka rin naman malulugi dahil sa ganda ng tanawin sa paligid ng lugar na ito, kaya in-enjoy na lang namin ang aming pagbisita at nagdesisyon kaming magrenta ng bangka para makalibot at masilayan ang mga magagandang tanawin at naglalakihang bundok.
Maki, very
I like it.
very nice na.
Yeah.
Lotus Park.
introduce this place, baby?
In the plan, this is the. We just are lucky that we go for the evening. If we go for the early morning, maybe it's the blossom of the lotus, like this one.
Oh.
It have the purple color. Yeah, it's many acre. Ooh.
And then
Maybe today we have to go on board. You can see.
Napakalawak ng lawa rito at maraming tanim na lotus. Ito rin ay isang fishing area para sa mga naninirahan dito. Medyo palubog na ang araw kaya't wala na kaming oras para lakarin hanggang dulo ang tulay na ito. Sa sobrang haba, sa halip naglaan kami ng oras para kumuha ng ilang litrato at mag-relax habang pinagmamasdan ang magagandang tanawin. Kaya Hayaan ninyo akong ipakita sa inyo ang napakagandang tanawin na ito. So we are here right now at the lotus field, and you can see there is no any flowers because it's already bending down and because it's already afternoon. But in the morning you will see the beautiful lotus blooming in the morning. And I really like the mountains. This one is a limestone mountain. It's very wow. Very beautiful here. A very wide field of lotus. Today we are going to ride a boat going to the lotus field here in
Samroyot.
Samroyot, Pitburi.
No, Pranburi.
Pranburi. Okay. Where is he?
ได้ you have to the photographer นะ Okay, let's go. EX4.
Yeah.
The wall of the lotus on the lake.
Yeah.
Direction. Wow.
At hito na nga at nagrenta kami ng bangka para libutin ang lugar na ito. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam ng karanasang ito dahil napakaganda ng kakaiba ng mga tao.
Around 1 hour from now, I will be there at sunset on the water now. We are traveling on the lotus. Oh, isn't it?
Napakaramantiko ng lugar na ito. Perpekto para sa mga magkasintahan. Dadaling ka ng bangka sa iba pang magagandang rock formation ng mga bundok. Tunay na kahanga-hanga ang lugar na ito. Medyo natakot ako ng konti dahil iniisip ko baka may buaya dito. Pero sabi ng bangkero, wala naman daw. Kaya nag-relax na lang kami habang pinagmamasdan ang kagandahan ng paligid. I like it.
มีคนมาจับปลาหรือเปล่าครับ อ๋อมีอะครับ ว้าว ปลาตัวใหญ่ที่สุดคือปลาอะไรอะครับ
ชะโดฮะ
อุ้ยชะโดหู
Sa doon
It's like a catfish, but it's shadow. Woo! It's he really to you.
จริงเหรอ
Yeah, but it's
danger
very big, very big.
it's very dangerous ใช่ไหม
Oh, like a tiger,
อ๋อ
like some tiger fish.
ได้
มีปลาชะโดด้วยจะนกเนี่ยมาร์กี้ you have big camera
ว้าว
ได้ตัวเองทั้งเรือเลยอ่ะ
share something, right?
Okay, welcome here in this place, and it's very beautiful here, and it's very wide lake under the grass, and there are many different kinds of species like birds, and there are also many blue sky, and it is very amazing, and I really love this place. Okay, you can visit here.
Hi! This is like a lotus sparklet. It's on the Khao Sam Royal in the Pranbury of Thailand. It's very amazing. Yeah. Now we are on the road to see the lake and the expo and to see the sunset. Now it's business part of the lotus area. We come to the ministry ticket like I'm amazing, like I am on the Amazon. Yeah. It's nice view, no, really.
Dinala kami na bangkero sa kabilang lugar kung saan may kaunting mga nakatira upang bisitahin ang templo na nasa loob ng kuweba.
คารวะห้ามนาคแล้วเธอเป็นใครฮะเดี๋ยว ที่นี่มีพระฝรั่งจำพรรษาเหรอคะ ไม่เป็นไรจ้ะ
At ngayon, aakyatin namin ang tuktok ng bundok na ito kung saan makikita mo ang buong lugar sa malawakang tanawin. Hindi mahirap umakyat dahil may mga hawakan at ligtas itong akyatin.
อ้าวมันเวลาดึงมันจะช่วยได้เร็วกว่านะอ้าวแบงค์ไปก่อนได้เลย
ไม่เป็นไร
แบ่งบอกแบ่งก็ไม่ไหว
แบ่งว่าแบ่งแย่กว่าอีน้อง
ไม่หรอกอีง้อเขาแย่
ขึ้นกระไดก็ว่า4 ขั้น
กลับให้ได้นะ
เขาผ่านไขมันไป
จริง
เอาเลย
ๆแบ่งต้อง
แบ่ง
หายา
ต้องมีแรง
พวกยาเสริมมากินนะยาเสริมที่เขากินอยู่แกงลุง
จะได้แบบขึ้นแรง
Wow!
เกือบถึงละเกือบถึงจุดที่สวยที่สุดละ
I like it.
สวยมากแม่คุ้ม
สวย
Sa wakas, narating na rin namin ang tuktok kung saan makikita mo ang isang rest house. Ito ang unang sasalubong sa iyo. Ito ang tinatawag na Mountains of 300 Peaks. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa video na ito at sana nagustuhan ninyo ito.
ข้าประคองป้าแกลงไป
ได้
เฮ้ย
แบงค์ช่วยดูแม่หน่อย
ได้ปอยอย่าทำเป็นคนแก่
We are in one of the temple that in the 300 ยอด park นะ The temple called วัดถ้ำทอหู
โอเค
Yeah, it's a drop point when we have a boat trip.
โอเค
In บึงบัว
alright
บึงบัว 300 ยอด
It's not the steering viewpoint. It's very nice. You will see the clip of the Mickey will do it.
ได้
Amazing.
I really like it yeah my god Okay, we are going back. Sa sandaling ito, oras na para bumalik sa aming dating kinaroroonan. Habang unti-unting bumababa ang araw, napakasarap sa pakiramdam ng karanasang ito. Nakaka-relax tingnan ang mga tanawin dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagsubaybay sa video na ito at sana nagustuhan ninyo ito. Paki-follow naman po ang aking Facebook at isubscribe ang aking YouTube channel para sa mga susunod kong videos. Maraming salamat po ulit. Hanggang sa huli. Paalam!